So these diagrams show forces acting on a lamina. In each case, find the resultant moment about point P. Okay, so moment about point P. The first force is 3 and perpendicular distance from P is 2. This one is moving in clockwise direction, so minus. The next force is 2, perpendicular distance is 5. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? This is clockwise, so minus again. So total moment will be 3 to the 6, 10, so minus 16 Newton meter. Minus means it is in anti-clockwise direction.
Yes.
Then here moment about the point P. Now force here is 4, perpendicular distance is this one, that is 2, and this is moving in clockwise direction, so minus. Next force is 3, perpendicular distance is also 3, and this one is moving in anti-clockwise, so plus. So we get 4 to the 8 plus 9. The answer is 1 Newton meter, and it is positive, which means it is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay.
Yes.